Okay, here's part A, and we'll scroll down now to get part B. So I've summarized the question over the page. Here it is here. Let's have a go at it. The second part is on written communication, so we need to write things clearly in part B. So first of all, AB then. Use Pythag. AB squared then. So 3 to minus 5 is 8, so it'll be 8 squared, the horizontal difference. 9 to 7 is just a difference of 2, so that'll be 2 squared. 64 plus 4 is 68. So AB then is equal to the square root of 68, which is 2 times 34, which is 4 times 17, which AB then is equal to the square root of 4 17s, which is root 17 and 17 times root 4. Root 4 is 2, so it's 2 lots of root 17. So that's the form it was wanted. So that's that. Find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to AB. Okay, so this is part B. So let's just write down the coordinates from above. First of all, 3, 9. And then B has coordinate minus 5, 7. Okay, so we need the gradient of perpendicular. So we need the gradient of this line, and then we can get the perpendicular gradient. We also need the midpoint of AB. The gradient of AB then, written communication, so let's write out a sentence of AB equals, increase in y is 7 minus 9, divided by the increase in x, minus 5 minus 3. It's minus 2 over minus 8, which is 1/4. So the gradient of the perpendicular, so the gradient of the perpendicular line equals minus 4, isn't it? Because the product will be minus 1. The midpoint of AB now, because that line goes through the midpoint of AB, is, so add the x's, 3 minus 5 over 2, and then 9 plus 7 over 2 is the midpoint. Minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. 16 over 2 is 8. Okay, so that's the midpoint. Right. So here we now need to write down the equation. The equation of the line is y minus, it goes through the midpoint of AB, so minus 8 is equal to the gradient, which is minus 4, times x minus d minus 1. So what does that tell us? So y equals minus 4x minus 4. Move the 8 over to plus 8. And then lastly we can write that down as minus 4x plus 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, that's the equation of the perpendicular line through the midpoint of AB.